welcome to Learning Guitar. We have Charlie on a Friday and actually Charlie on a Tuesday like this. Anyway, he's been with us before. This time we have 24 hours. So yeah, let's go into this 3-chord song. So we're gonna look at this without any capo. We have F, A minor 7, and G. That's the chord progression through the entire song. Let's go into the chords and let's start with the F, okay? That's a bar chord where you place the index finger on the 1st fret. You cover all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have the A minor 7 next. All right, so that goes open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then finally we have the G. And that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. Okay, so that's the chord progression F, A minor 7, and G. Let's now go into the melody, which is played in the intro of the song, and it goes there in the background, and then it's this, switches into some kind of strumming later, but we'll go into the melody first, and it goes like this for F. So that will be to play 1st fret on E string in the bass, then 3rd D, then back to 1st E, and then 1st B. And you have a pause there, and then comes the next chord, the A minor 7. It goes like this. And that is to play open A, open G, then back to open A, and 1st B. And the final chord is the G, and that part goes. And that will be to play 3rd fret on E string in the bass, then open D, back to 3rd E, and then open B. That is one round. Okay, so it goes like this. Okay, so there you have the melody. Now let's go into the strumming, and we're gonna look at the strumming with 2 different parts. Okay, so I'm gonna give you one full part here, and that's what you're gonna play. Sorry, one full round of F. Okay, that's the 1st chord, and it goes like this. Okay, and I just want to point out, this is my interpretation of how to play this with strumming. You can do this in different ways. This is how I would play. So let's do the first part, and that will be down, down, up, clap, down. So down, down, up, clap, down. And then comes the second part, which will be up, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So that is 2 ups, then down, up, then clap, and then up, down, up. So if you put these 2 parts together, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, and the switch between the chords will be the A minor to play part 1, and then G to play part 2. So the switch goes pretty fast there between these 2 chords. Okay, because it just has to flow there with the strumming. So the chord progression is 1 full round of F, both part 1 and part 2. Then you switch to A minor and play part 1, and then G part 2. So like this. And in tempo, just a little bit faster, it goes like this. it, both melody and strumming. That's what's going on with Charlieonnafriday's 24 hours. So if you like this tutorial, feel free to support me here in Gorg Guitar. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, play tuned.